how to create a poll on Slack. So here from the left hand side, we will go to apps and click on add apps. And from this list, we will search for polls. And we can see this application for Poly, instant engagement through polls, surveys, stand-ups, and trivia. So we can choose either this one or simple poll. So let's do simple poll actually. So it is going to refer us to this page where we have to click on add to Slack. Give it some permissions here by clicking on the allow button. And which best describes your Slack workspace. I'm going to do company, which department, sales. I agree to the policy, privacy. And here, what is your main goal? I don't know yet. Have you used before? No. And we can now continue to Slack. And I'm going to show you how you can create a poll here. So it's going to refer us in our web browser. So it's going to look like this. So here we can type /poll and we can create a poll here. So we can do template gallery, and basically here's where we set the questions. So are you feeling okay? If we do it as an example here, the first option could be yes, the second option could be no, and you can also add a new option here, maybe. And we can also add new questions, and we can also ask multiple questions. But then after we have set this up, we will click on preview here, and it's going to look like this. So we can create a poll and we can send it in a channel. So general channel, click on save, and we click on create poll. And now we have successfully created a poll here with simple polls, and people can vote. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.